If you're ready to take your lifestyle from ordinary to extraordinary, you need Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts.
And we are live on a Friday. Elite Credit Investor Advisors / Elite Consultants, and we will be talking about trading the NASDAQ today. Again, we're trading the NASDAQ E-mini futures, micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 index futures, and we've got the lovely Emma from the Philippines with us today. She runs the call center there. And Ms. Emma, how's your day going?
Hello, everyone. Good morning. All good, sir. Thank you. And we're back and we're live again.
We are, and I am excited to be here, if you can't tell. Now, today is a day that it's Friday, and everybody likes to pick up the paycheck, go home, look forward to the weekend. Friday is a crazy day traditionally in the stock market. Today's no different. Today is one of those days that you've got, when you got a good day, you call it a green day. When you've got so far, you've got a down day, you call it a red day. And today I have traded very poorly. I started with about a $3,000 balance. Pretty typical, $3,000 to $5,000 I like to start with. A little bit more than the minimum. You start with 500. The thing about how much you start with is very simple. If you start with a little small amount, it's typical to get a lot of profit. You can get the same amount of trades, but you can get less profit. So I like to start between 3,000 and 5,000. That's just me. Today I have lost from 3,000 down to 1,877. That's not a very exciting morning, but it's one of those times whenever you hear people that are promoting stock trading or promoting investment opportunities or just what like us, it's simply educational. They need to tell you about the good and the bad. Today's not happening so far. Now, my choices are, you can see the charts going on here. My choices are, see, I started trading way up here, and it's just been a down day so far. Now, I can jump back in the game and start trading, and I think I'm going to do a little bit of that. I'm going to go ahead and get my buy indicators up here. I'm definitely going to go with only 2 units of trade. I'm not going to put a lot in it. Put my take profit, stop loss in. Look for my buy indicators. I'm going to go ahead and get in the game. Okay. But in real money, in the real world today, so far I have lost from $3,000 down to about 1,877. So I will definitely recuperate that. There's no doubt. I'll definitely get that money back. But it is so far today not that exciting. So that's one of those reasons why you need to know, do not trade with money you can't afford to throw away, disposable income, because it's so far today not wonderful. Now, I said all that because I want you to know that I have those days just like I have the wins. Okay, that's what's happening in my real life today. Is I started with 3K and I am down to 1,877. That means I'm going to have to watch my P's and Q's. You see that buy indicator there? I actually just made money on that trade. We took a profit. We made about $47. So we're going to go back in. We're going to look at that again. Look at our buy indicators. We're trading 2 units. Our risk is $50 at 2 units. We see that buy indicators are in here with the green candle moving up. It looks like the market's trying to recover from its initial opening at 9:30, and that's what we want. We want it to be at least that predictable. So right now we're looking at a green $1, and it's headed up. Green $4, green $3. It's traveling on up quite a bit there. I'm going to go ahead and make this screen a little bigger so you can see the dollars changing up a little bit. But again, you have your ups and you have your downs. So the blue, can you see that better now? Yeah. Okay. So the blue is where we bought in. The take profit is set at $53 right now. I can actually take that $53 down to 25 bucks real quick right there and confirm that. That way it doesn't have as far to travel when it recovers. But right now we're negative $70.69. So the green candlestick's recovering. In a perfect life, it's going to pop up there and hit that blue and then turn to green. And then it's going to turn from green to $25 and give us a profit. So we're showing $2,047 in the account. And it's going to be playing back and forth a little bit there for us, hopefully before it goes to take a profit. Now, again, this is the Tradingview software, zero risk, because there's no real money in it. It's a free, you can get a free application through our QR code, get a free 30 days of training. Then if you decide to go ahead and pay for the Tradingview software later on, then our channel makes a little bit. We're an affiliate with Tradingview, so we make like $10 a month on that if you sign up for that and just continue to paper trade and practice. So showing a downward indicator candle right now from where we got in, it's down 60 something dollars, but then it's retracing back up a little bit. It's going to go up and down. It's doing what I call the happy dance. It's well, it'd be the happy dance that's on the other side of the blue. It's dancing right now with us. It's flirting with us. It's going up and down, and it's following the real market. This is the Tradingview software follows the real NASDAQ market, so it's actual real-time data. But it's very volatile. I think I see Giselle in the background. Let's go ahead and add her. Good morning, Miss Giselle. How are you today?
Good morning, sir.
25 and under. 25 and under. And I was just telling the viewing public, I was just telling Miss Emma as well that today we traded from 3K down. We lost a little money down to 1877, but in real money, in real life. But we're going to get back in the game a little bit later on. We're going to watch our P's and Q's a little closer, and we're going to get that money either, basically we're going to recover back to 3K, so we're back to 3.0, and then we're going to try to build it up to 5K before we jump out at the end of the day. I say all that because it's Friday, and I want everybody to know that you're going to have it's what I call the green days are when you're winning, the red days are when you don't win. There's absolutely nobody anywhere on the planet that's going to win every game. You're just not going to do it. But the goal is if you play 10 games, you want to win 7 of them. Okay, so you're going to lose 1, 2, 3, but you're going to be up. So we're looking at a trade right now. We're in the Practice Tradingview software, and we got in on the blue line is where we got in. We're at a -9, but we are trending upward. We're trying to make that $25 profit. -4, -1. Now we're broke even, and it's gonna kind of flirt with us right there around the blue line. See that? Now all indicators were that it's going to make that 20 bucks. And those indicators are these wicks on these candles right here, and the weekly trend and the daily trend. I literally had just taken a meeting in the trading on the real market, so I am firmly aware that the trend is set to recover from what I call a bear market open at 9:30. So there's our $20. Let's look. So we made our $20. Started at 2,000. We're going to start brand new right now. We're going to go ahead and start with a brand new account. Now, since I've got $1,877 in real money in real life, I'm resetting my account. I'm going to do that. I'm going to put 1,850 in there so that I can simulate trading in real life, because as soon as we get through with this education here, I'm going to pop over there and trade for real. So I want to get in a habit of trading exactly like I'm really going to be making money. So I selected 2 units, so my risk is $50. I clicked in my take profit and my stop loss. Always want to put your stop loss, that's the amount that you could lose on the trade. You put your take profit, you can fluctuate how much money do you want to make. You can make $20, you can make $50, you can make $100, you can put it anywhere you want. Now, the higher you put your take profit, the longer it takes to get there. Okay, so naturally you want to pick something that's you feel like it's going to be confident. So let's take a look. So we're watching that red candle come down, and we are out of the trade right now, so we have 0 risk. What we're waiting for is that right there. We're waiting for that retracement. We're going to go ahead and buy in, okay, because that candle's trying to go up. And we're going to buy in there. And it's set at $57. I'm going to have and pull down to 25 bucks. Call that, confirm that in there. Well, it won't let me because it went to 25 bucks before I got through. So let me confirm that again. All right, it's heading, it's plus 20 right now. It's heading on up the chart. Let me pull that down just a little. 33. We're green 37. It's trying to make us some money right this moment. It's trying to make money. $24, $37, $36. It's vacillating right in there. $27 again. And I could hit the sell button and jump right out. So if you ladies want me to sell, hit the sell button, let me know. Then we're back down to $2 and it's a little negative. So I'm going to take that 53. I'm going to take it down to 44 and adjust it just a little. There you go. How about a little bit more? Right to the top of those 2 candlesticks. It's a good trend. If you got 2 candlesticks in a row and they've stopped trending at the top, that's a good place to get in. So I put the take profit at $39. We're at a plus 6. We could make $6 if we sold right now. A plus 10. You ladies let me know if you want me to jump out.
Yes, sir.
Plus 12. Plus 15. Plus 18.
Okay.
Got my finger on the button.
Down.
It's a waiting game, isn't it? It's patience.
Yeah.
You got to have the patience. Plus 12. 20. 35.
Oh, we can sell.
Boom. We made the money. Okay. So we started in at 1850. We now have 1888. So we made a little money. We're gonna set our stock to our take profit, our stop loss. We're gonna look at our indicators again. That's a good indicator right there. But we're gonna hold off just a minute. Let's get one more, right? We want 2 green indicators. So there's our second green indicator. We're gonna go ahead and buy in right there. Second green indicator up told us that it's probably going to make a little money. We're going to bring that from 49 down to 25 bucks. I like that $20, $25 range because it's a quick, easy $20, $25 to make generally. And we're going to watch this thing again. So we made a little money. We're back in the game. It's trending upward once again. That's why what we're trading is called going long or trading long. And so we get in and we want it to go. We buy low and we want to sell high. We buy the dip. So it dipped down right in here. We bought. Now it's green right now. It's got a negative 14, negative 8. It's kind of dancing. Now we're broke even. All right. So now we're happy dancing. We're going across that blue line back and forth. Negative 10. It's going to flirt with us a little bit. Plus 5, we could make $5 right now if we sold. Boom, it sold out and we made a profit, guys. Look, it's shot way up there. And now we have $1,914 in the bank. So we started with $1,850. Now we have $1,900. Now, it looks like it's trending up pretty good. So I'll take you girls, you ladies' advice. Do you want me to move from 2 to 5 units and try to make a little more profit? Or do we stay at 2 units? What do you want to do? Hello. Hello. Did I lose my correspondence? Hello. Can you hear me now? Is anybody out there in radio land? Did I lose Emma? Did I lose you, Giselle? Hello. What in the world is happening with the communication? Check my phone. Well, I can't hear you guys. There you are. Are you back?
Yeah, I don't know what happened, sir. Yeah, we can go up to 5, sir. We can
You
take
want to go
risk.
up? All right, good deal. So we're going to go up to 5. So I'm just going to change my units from 2 to 5. And guys, that means I'm investing 125 bucks. But also that means that that same amount of movements on the chart will give me 3 times more profit. So I'm
Yeah.
looking at my red candle, and that's the secret. The secret is I start with 1, I go to 2. If the market's trending up, predictable enough that I can make cash every time, and it is right now, it's doing great. We got in and we started making little bits of cash. So I went to 5 units. When I see my buy indicators, I'm going to click in. We're going to get in the game. We're going to make a little more money. So instead of $20, we may make $100 a trade. Okay, so that's what we want to look for. 5 units. We're risking $125. We're watching these 2 red candles right here. And when they give me a green indicator up, followed by another immediate green indicator up, I'm going to jump in and ride that wave. As far up, that's one indicator. You see it? All right, pop back down. So we're not going to ride that one. We're going to wait for the next green indicator up. We've got our finger on the buy button. All right, so it's a good thing we didn't get in because it just jumped down. See that?
Yeah.
So our trading method is 2 green indicators in a row, back to back, to show momentum. So when I see the retracement of that red candle, and then I know behind that's a green indicator is coming up, then I'm going to click the buy button and get in. I'm immediately going to set my stop loss down to where I won't lose too much money. And then I'm going to set my take profit in just a little piece of the action. So that's what we're doing right now. We're watching in real time. Got our finger on the buy button, but we don't have, there's one green indicator. I need another one right behind it. And it didn't get it. I didn't get it. See, I got a red indicator. So I'm going to go back over here to my button. Because the market and conditioning is all me. It's all my system. My system is very simple, extremely simple. That's one good green indicator up. 2 greens, I'm in. So I'm going to shoot that in. I'm going to bring this from 117. I'll just leave it at 117. We'll leave it up there. So we are in at $125 risk. We're currently looking for a win of $117. We can bring that down a little bit if we want to make it faster. We may, let's say we want to make $50. We can bring that down, or we can leave it up there. Okay? Whatever. What would you ladies like me to do? You want to leave it up there, or you want to bring it down to $50?
Oh, yeah. $50 should be fine.
All right, we're going to bring it down. We're going to grab it and pull it down to $52 and confirm that. That way, it only has to travel this little tiny bit right here to make that profit. And that's way more likely.
Oh.
So we're at $20 to the good, 12. See, and it's flirting. It's flirting and it's doing the happy dance, right? It's flirting right there on the blue line. All we needed to do is go up that little bit from 23,868.50 to 23,873. If it'll do that, if it'll cross the blue line and pop up there, we'll make $52. All right, we're already showing a $1,900 account, and that's up from $1,850 when we started. And again, it's gonna dance. It's gonna go up. It's gonna come down. You've got to have confidence that it's gonna dance a little bit and then pop across and hit the green and make your $50. All right. So that's what we're doing. And I'm a whole lot more excited about what the market's doing right now than this morning when I lost the money. Okay. because it has stabilized. It's got a trend now, and it's got a bullish activity trend. It's going up. It's predictable enough for me to scalp off the top. All right, we got to. You see that go from negative 17.50 there to green $10. See that?
Yes.
17.50, 25, 12.
More.
We're gonna wait till it go. We're gonna hold our patience. And we're gonna wait till it crosses that line and goes and gives us that $50. Even though we could have popped out a minute ago for 12, 15 bucks, we're not gonna do it. We're gonna hold on. All right, ladies. Now, naturally, you're seeing these negative numbers pop up here. When we went from 2 to 5 units to make more money, that naturally increases the amount of money we lose as it goes down, if it goes down. So your risk is increased greatly. All right. Mm-hmm. So our take profit is increased, but our stop loss also. So we actually just lost a little bit of equity on that because it went down and hit the stop loss. But you absolutely have got to set a stop loss so that you control how much you would be losing. All right. So when this thing, when this red candle settles out here in a minute, we'll give it just a minute to settle and start the retracement. We will get back in the game because we've decided before we got in the game today, where we got into it, we decided how much we were going to lose. That's one thing you've got to do. Do I want to invest a total of $250 today, or do I want to invest a total of $500? Whatever your limit is to invest. I just jumped us back in the game there on the take profit side. I'm going to bring this down to 50 bucks. There we go. And I'm going to hope that it goes ahead and trends back up that red candle, back across the line, and gives us our $50, just like we saw before. But we want to continuously reinforce that trade with a positive. And again, you can start with 1 unit. You can go to 2 units. You can go to 5 units, 10, whatever your confidence level is. Just remember, never trade with money that you can't afford to just give to the game, so to speak. All right, so we made a profit, made a $50 profit.
Yeah.
See how that happened? All right, so, and it's continuing to climb, so we're going to get back in the game. We're going to get right back in there. We've got 2 good indicators already. We're going to look at it just a minute. There's a red back candle retraced a little bit, so I'm waiting until it gives me another green indicator. There's a red down, so we're going to wait again. Give it just a minute. All right, here's my indicator. I'm going to get in the game. All right, confirm. I'm leaving it at 117 while I pull over and I let you guys comment. So Miss Emma, talk to us a little bit about what you've seen so far, what you know about the system as we watch the green candle climb toward the profit, and just let us know what you think.
Okay, well, good morning, everyone, again. Well, the most important what I observe is we need that patient to wait the timing, and we need to be very watchful, careful on the candlestick when it move up or down, and we need to control our emotion, not to be more impulsive in deciding when to sell or buy. So perfect timing is very important, sir, on in trading. So that's what I observe as we do the training day by day. And yeah, and then if we fail, then the next time around we need to be more alert and very fast on observing the pattern of the candlestick.
Fantastic.
A great trading.
All right. So Ms. Giselle, what's happening? And what do you think so far? I know you're working on our media a lot, and you see some of our trades. We We're working on some training videos. We like to do a lot of live in-person videos. No secrets. It's completely transparent. We win some, we lose some. Tell us what your opinion is so far of the trading and what values you see that in learning what we're doing.
Yeah, as I am observing and also watching us do trades, also it's very important to really know how to be resilient. Of course, in trading, there are a lot of risk, especially risk in losing, and of course, we believe that we and with higher risk, also there's higher returns. So when it comes to losing, we have to be really flexible and also adaptable. And of course, in this industry we've gotta lose some, but also there's gonna be a higher wins. So in this trading, we just gotta learn how to, just as what Emma said, gotta learn how to be patient and also to be more of knowledgeable and also wise when it comes to choosing when to sell and also when to buy and what to how amount the amount, how much amount we gotta sell and also the amount that we gotta buy, because um it's very risky. Of course, as I've said, it's very risky, but it's also rewarding afterwards if we know the ins and also outs, and we know the strategies and more of how this industry or how the stocks move and how they are going to be working more as day pass by or as time passes by, as it is moving also in every day. So as I've said, so it's really important to be keen of everything that is related to trading, so that you will know how to do it right and how to do it more wisely, and also in the future more wise, wiser, as I've said. So that's what I observe, sir. So it's really good to be experiencing this, and it's more rewarding. So more than what we can lose, it's what stands out most is what we can really have after it all and with it.
All right, fantastic. Okay, so at the end of the day, what we've done here now, I don't want you to think it's been a completely crazy lost week. The week is fantastic. I've traded Monday through Friday. This is the end of Friday. Monday win, Tuesday win, Wednesday win, Thursday was a good. Yesterday was fair, uh, and today was a little down. But let's see how we did. Oh, we made money again. It hit stop loss while we were talking. So we started. We currently have a good profit from that last one. So the week overall, uh, for me, Monday was green, Tuesday was green, Wednesday was green. Yesterday was a break even day. Today I started off with 3K and live trading, and I'm down to 1877. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go take a few more trades this afternoon, maybe one between now and this afternoon. If it's positive, then I'm going to wait till the afternoon. Friday afternoon is notorious for being either way, up or down. And I'm gonna start with 2 units and work $50 up and down. If I feel good and confident, I may increase. I may just completely get out, stop, not worry about it at all until Monday. Because the key is patience. Patience in and patience out. Now we never actually lose. We do lose profit, but we don't lose when we're training with the Tradingview software, because it costs nothing to get in, costs nothing to practice, costs nothing to train. You're just gaining knowledge. So we're winning and we're learning. We're never losing. Okay. Same thing in real money in life. I mean, I would rather have started with 3K, and I'd like to be able to tell you that I'm up to 5K and all things are great and wonderful and rosy. It's just not how life works. Life is not about how hard it hits you. It's how hard it hits you and you still keep going forward. Okay. The way life works is real simple. It's going to hit you. It's going to hit you as hard as it can. It's going to hit you in unexpected times and circumstances. So it's not that we want to train in life to not get hit, because that's not going to happen. You're going to get wet when it rains. You're going to get hit on a regular basis by life's unexpected ups and downs. The difference is you need to train for what to do when you do get hit. So we're going to take this 1877, and I'm actually going to show you the real Ninja Trader account real quick, just so you can see my active trading balance, okay? Not something I do every day. I want you to see this in real time because I want you to see it also when it goes up, all right? There's no joy in not seeing the, so 1837, sorry, I thought it was 77, but let me share that. Hold on, make sure you can see that. Share, let's get this one on. There we go. We're going to share my actual trading account. It's not huge. I mean, it's not billions. All right, but it's in there. So there you go. That's my actual trading account. And when I click the button and send this money to the bank, it goes straight to the bank. It's there by the next day. So 1837.52 is the actual amount, and it will be. We'll trade a little bit today. We're going to trade a little bit, and I'll show you what the balance is Monday when we start. We'll start Monday. We'll do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, just like we're doing now, Friday. And you'll see what the balance is at the end of the week. And that's 100% live. I mean, I can't get any more transparent. That's my real trading account. That's my real balance. If you start with, you can start with $50 for Ninja Trader. You don't have to have a lot of money. I recommend starting at $500 because it's hard to buy enough units to make much profit and trade up. One unit, of course, is $25 investment. So you can start with 50 bucks, trade one unit for 25, make a profit, back and forth, build it up to 500. That's totally doable. But I do recommend starting with at least 500. It's tough to make much profit with less than 500. I started with 500. I built it up to 5K. I continuously trade back and forth. I've had it as low as 500, as high as 5. I continue to share the balance with you on a weekly basis. I think that's a good idea. And I'm continuing to show you both the practice trades in real time. Starting next week, I'm going to show you the real trades, the real account. So you can see the balance go up from the Ninja Trader account or down. It could possibly go down. But if you see that, for example, if we get in, we make a trade, we make $500, you see the balance go up. Then I'm going to show you how to transfer that money from your trading account straight to your bank, so it becomes income at that point. Okay, so there you go. Ladies, do you have any questions for me? I will hit the button and we'll call it a day on a Friday. It's been a great trading week. Altogether, overall profits raised were in the neighborhood of 5K, and I slide those over at the end of the day to the bank. So don't want to show you the actual bank account, but we will start showing some bank statements after next week. But in the meantime, I want to show you the daily profit, and I'll show you how do we move the daily profit out of the trading account, send it to the bank, and then we start over the next day with a good balance. So talk to us, Miss Emma. You want to, or Miss Giselle, either one, whoever wants to close us out, and then we'll call it a day.
Okay, well, thank you so much for a great morning, for another learning and experience into trading. So, to our viewers out there, if they are interested to get an education about trading, they can actually contact us at 877-587-4540, and then they can enroll with our 30-day program, and we can assist them, mentor them on how to do trading with our paper trading platform with no risk at all. But after 30 days, if they decided to get into the real life trading with real money, then we can assist them and find or get them enrolled to Ninja Trader, one of our provider in trading. So in that way we can assist them, and we can do the coaching little by little. They can earn, and they can actually, maybe soon we will be have our a millionaire in this program. So they just need to contact us, sir.
I
So
love
thank
it.
you guys. See you on Monday.
All right, talk to you later. Good to have you today, Giselle. We'll look forward to working with you some more.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with Tradingview, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.